Hello everyone, welcome to the learning series of Adobe XD. Today we will discuss the working of Artboard in Adobe XD. So let's open the XD. If you are designing your UI for mobile app, then you have to always select the screen size 375 into 667 because it supports almost all the mobile screen. So let's open. The size of the artboard is very large, so we have to zoom out this. So press Ctrl minus will zoom out. If you want to zoom in, then you have to press Ctrl plus, zoom in, Ctrl minus, zoom out. If you want to create a new artboard here, then you have to just simply click on the artboard icon, and you have to just click right of your mouse once only. You will be able to create new artboard. If you want to change the size of the artboard according to your need, then you can see here the screen size of your artboard. You can select here the screen size according to your requirement. If I want to select the artboard size 375 into 812, then we will select on this and it will create like this. If we want to change the name of my artboard, then I have to select the artboard and click on this area, and we can change any name like home. If you want to delete the artboard, then you have to simply just select the artboard and click on the delete button. It will simply delete. If you want to scroll like this, then your artboard will go on the left, and if you drag like this, it will go right. Similarly for lower and upper. Simply click right of your mouse and drag left. Click on the right of your mouse and drag right. Click on the right of your mouse, drag down. Click on the right of your mouse and drag up. It will be scroll like this. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, then you can ask in the comment section.